may be sick, but I'll keep on believing. I know that I'll be healed in Jesus' name. The devil tried to rob me from my inheritance and the blessings the Lord has promised. I looked at my lying vanity and said, I'm going to walk into my victory. The dove flew into my heart. I know that he did. He has led me through the storms. I firmly believe the Lord has raised me up so high to believe what he has done for me. I'm an eagle to soar above the troubled waters. He has fluttered his wings in my heart. The dove flew into my heart. I firmly believe the dove flew into my heart. I know that he did. You may be troubled, confused, and shattered. You may be scarred, but don't you ever give up. Jesus promised full deliverance from all our bondage, and he wouldn't deny what he has promised. My Jesus has provided all my needs whenever I call on his name. The dove flew into my heart. I know that he did. He has led me through the storms. I firmly believe the Lord has raised me up so high to believe what he has done for me. I am an eagle to soar above the troubled waters. He has fluttered his wings in my heart. The dove flew into my heart. I firmly believe the dove flew into my heart. I know that he did. The dove firmly believe. The dove flew into my heart. I know that he did. The dove flew into my heart. I firmly believe. The dove flew into my heart. I know that he did.